Hey there, this is Ashwin Kulkarni. I'm thrilled to have you here. In this series, we are going to deep dive into the world of Kubernetes and couple them with the Golang and its microservices. So over the internet, you can find pretty useful resources about deep dive into the Kubernetes or deep dive into the concepts of Golang or a microservice architecture. But most of these don't basically couple these things together. And as a backend developer, I usually every day do this. So I do the Kubernetes stuff, I do the backend development in the Golang, and I couple them together to deploy these different things as a microservices on the cloud. So about me, I am a senior software developer at IBM Cloud. I usually every day handle millions to billions of events coming together. So that's my credibility. I recently completed the CCAD certification as well. So I have knowledge of both of these stuff. So in this series, we are going to dive into the Kubernetes, its core concepts, then the networking, then the service mesh around the Kubernetes, then how different configurations in the Kubernetes can happen, secrets, config map, etc. But the difference is we are going to do this live with the Golang code. So we are going to write the Golang code, put it, containerize it, try to deploy it, and then after deployment, on top of that, to orchestrate this, we are going to add the Kubernetes. So we are basically trying to solve or learn both of these concepts. So yeah, that's about this series. I feel this will be pretty useful for those who are going to enter in the world of microservices and in the world of Kubernetes, and also this will be helpful for the experienced one who just want to move from, let's say, Java or let's say C# to the Golang and try hands-on with the Kubernetes. So this is all about this series, and I mostly will be dropping a couple of videos every week, and we are going to now mostly code live in the series as well. So I'm pretty excited. I hope you are as well. Let's get started.